Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Boat comes with a galvanized trailer with swing tongue, full light blue gel coat. Let's go inside and take a look. The 90 horse Mercury 4-stroke on the back. Look at all this open deck back here. It's tons of space. Two little notch outs where we can put some seats. Does have the upgraded live well, so we got a live well under the helm seat. Bimini top, blue canvas. Also got this nice little teak package here, which is nice accents on the boat. Does have the fishing package, so you get tackle storage there, a removable cooler seat in front of the console with rod holders behind it. Then we also get the bow filler cushion in the front, so it makes a really nice social boat. Cup holders everywhere. Again, it's available 954-633-2070. MarineMax Pompano Beach 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk.